whenever you get a person that got rear-ended, what are the most common injuries that you find from those type of accidents?
Spine injuries to the neck, so the what we call the cervical spine in the neck is very frequently injured, and it presents with a variety of symptoms, sometimes with very severe headaches, neck pain, pain in the shoulders. Is sometimes these patients even have something called vertigo, where the patient feels dizzy and the world around them turns constantly. Is not that uncommon to see that in a rear-ending injury.
Now, when you mention spinal injuries, because there's different types of spinal injuries as well, and different things that affects the disc, just walk us through what specifically do you find? Herniations?